So there were a lot, they call them cat heads. They're just imperfections in the wall. It's not funny, but so we were living in Gastonia, wanted to downsize, sold our home, and found our dream home in Cramerton.
Taylor's obsessed with Pinterest.
Andrea is a thrift queen. She finds awesome deals at Goodwill, and I support it 100%.
I'm Andrea.
I'm Taylor.
And we're the Pelzells.
I am a local realtor with Wilcox Real Estate Group.
I work for the United States Postal Service.
Actually had a blind date, first blind date I'd ever been on. Next thing you know, we're married. And have been married for almost 10 years.
I love Cramerton so much because of its small town feel and very charming. Downtown is so nice. It also has tons of bridges, the Veterans Memorial, and Floyd and Blackie's. We love going and getting coffee. We love Floyd and Blackie's so much because their caramel lattes are to die for. They're the best. You'll never ever want to go to Starbucks ever again.
We really feel a part of this community, and that's a big part of why we moved here. So the renovations took about 2 months, a lot more expensive than I thought. We wanted to make sure everything was right the first time before we moved furniture in and everything else. Andrea is a Goodwill connoisseur and was able to help out so much as far as finding decorations for our house.
This is one of my favorite finds that I found from Goodwill. It's a KitchenAid mixer. It can retail up to $300. I found mine for $19.99.